Dallas, Texas. It's a city of more than just cowboy hats and big steaks. Whether you're a Texan or if you're just curious, stick around to the end of this video, and during the way, we're going to uncover some really wonderful and interesting facts about the Big D.
This is not Dubai. This is not New York. This is Dallas, Texas. So let's go for a walk downtown Dallas. And as we enjoy the architecture of the buildings in downtown, I thought I would share a few interesting facts about Dallas. Did you know that the modern day traffic light was invented by a Dallas resident named Henry, also known as Dad, Garrett? Thanksgiving Square in downtown Dallas is a beautiful park dedicated to Thanksgiving prayer and features a fountain and various sculptures. And here's something about Dallas that you may not know, and I didn't know it, and I've been living here for quite some time. That is the largest U.S. city not on a major body of water. The frozen margarita machine was invented in Dallas in 1971. That doesn't seem that long ago. It feels like I've been drinking margaritas a lot longer than that. Now the original machine resides in the Smithsonian National Museum of American History. The integrated circuit computer chip, which later became the microchip, was invented in Dallas in 1958 by Jack Kilby, an engineer at Texas Instruments. The Dallas Art District is the largest urban arts district in the United States, spanning 118 acres. The world's first convenience store, 7-Eleven, opened in 1927 in Dallas. The corporation is still headquartered here today. Lamar Hunt, the founder of the American Football League and the son of the oil tycoon H.L. Hunt, was noted as a Dallas resident when he coined the term Super Bowl. Dealey Plaza in downtown Dallas marks the site of President John F. Kennedy's assassination in 1963. The iconic soap opera Dallas from 1978 to 1991 put the city on the global map. The famous South Fork Ranch is just outside of town. The Pegasus, a red flying horse, is a symbol of Dallas and lights up at night atop of the Magnolia Hotel. So when you're downtown Dallas, hop over to the Old City Park. It was established in 1876 as Dallas's first and oldest park. The green space maintains a collection of historical buildings and furnishings that date back to 1840. We have a longer video on Old City Park, and I'm going to link that below for you. It's a great way to spend an afternoon or a morning with your family or friends or just yourself. It is just a fascinating place. The large eye sculpture in downtown Dallas is called The Eye, and it's 30 feet tall. It is a replica of Tasset's own eye, the artist. And he says there's no deep meaning or hidden meaning behind it. The sculpture was originally commissioned for a temporary exhibit in Chicago in 2010, and it was moved to Dallas in 2013. In Dallas, you can find Bonnie and Clyde's grave sites. They are legendary and historic outlaws. The authorities saw the couple as dangerous criminals, while the public viewed Bonnie and Clyde as modern-day Robin Hood. Bonnie is buried at Crown Hill Memorial Park in Dallas, while Clyde is buried in Western Heights Cemetery in Dallas. Did you know that the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport is larger than the island of Manhattan? It covers 27 square miles, making it the second largest airport by land in the United States. You can tour the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas. They're self-guided tours, and they have interactive exhibits. They're open Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., but they're also closed on bank holidays. But it's an interesting place to visit.
Thank you so very much for watching our video to the end. I really appreciate it. I'm going to put a link down below in the description that'll give you a playlist of all the different day trips that you can take from Dallas. It's great for you and your family or you and your friends, and a lot of them are free. I'd really appreciate it if you would like, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And until next time, happy travels.